What's up, guys? Welcome back to this another video. It's going to be kind of short on this one. Today we're doing another little, upgrade or modification to the bike. A buddy of mine had shared me a Facebook Marketplace for sale item of some exhaust for these bikes. If you find parts for these bikes, buy them, because these bikes are really few and far between. So, we got new exhaust coming. It's not here yet. It's in my wife's car. I couldn't carry it on this thing. It's got one full stock exhaust system and some slip-on Vance and Hines pipes. I think we're going to try the Vance and Hines first and see how it sounds. And if they sound good enough, I'm just going to sell the old set of the other set of the stock exhaust, which the stock exhaust looks immaculately perfect. So, I mean, it's got to be worth something. I'm going to sit you guys down somewhere here and give you the before exhaust sound, because this is just straight pipes. Those pipes, straight pipe exhaust. That thing is louder than Hades. I mean, it sounds good, but on a long ride, no. It's very annoying. It makes your ears ring and it gives you a headache. So, I'm gonna, like I said, set the camera up somewhere and give you an exhaust before sound and an exhaust test with the Vance and Hines. It's really how steep my driveway is. I have to chalk the wheel so I can put it in neutral. If not, it'll go rolling down there, and that's not happening. Like I said, that's the straight, drag pipe exhaust, I guess you want to call it. There's not even a brand on them, so I just call them drag pipe exhaust. And when my wife gets here, she followed behind me. I was a little bit faster than she was coming back. I'm going to take them out of the truck, and we'll lay them out here, and we'll show you what we got. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. I got some fans going out here. It is extremely muggy in the south. Alright, let's see what we got. This here is the full stock exhaust that I got. It's got with the brackets and everything. That thing is like immaculate condition. I can get over here where you can see it a little better. There we go. I know it doesn't give it justice, but that thing is, ain't got a scratch on it. Nothing. This is all writing and stuff from the factory. This is the factory exhaust. Looks like they took it off as soon as they got the bike. It looks perfect. And then these are the Vance and Hines. I'm going to try to put them on there. Yes, this bike does have 4 exhaust pipes, if you're wondering why I have 4 of everything. So these should just slip in the pipes that are on there, and just tighten the clamp down. So, those, I mean, they're pretty nice condition, minus all the fingerprints, but yeah, it's going to have that, so I'm gonna get a little tripod for you guys so you can watch if you want to. So I can see everything on this side. We're gonna do this side first. Like I said, I'm not gonna film both sides because it's repetitive and it's stupid. So it's the same thing, just a mirrored image. So I'm gonna get some tools and we'll get down here on the floor. Alright, on these exhaust, there's one bolt or a clamp right there, and then another one right over here for this bottom one. We'll do this top one first. I got some gloves because I just rode this thing like 75 miles, and it's a little hot still. I'll back you guys up right there somewhere. Just sit over there and watch. Never fails, you'll always forget something. no matter how many tools you grab, always you'll forget something. Nope. So it's going to be an 11. And that one. I had these pipes off one time just to see how they come off. They were relatively easy to come off. And the one in the back here, if you can see that, that's going to be a 13. So it just slides right off, and then you got your little clamp that goes back on the other one. We'll set that over there. I'll grab one of these and just set it over there and see how it looks. Does it brace itself up? Oh yeah. There's a bit of rust on the bolt. Alright, I can already tell those are not going to work because there's nothing to mount the backup with. So, I don't know. I could probably manufacture something out of flat stock. As you can see, they just bounce up and down. All the weight is on the bolts up here for the motor, like where it bolts to the motor. All the weight is resting on that. And going like on a road trip or something, bouncing up and down, hitting bumps, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put it on, crank it up and see what it sounds like, and then I'll put the stock exhaust on because this drag pipe stuff, it's not working anymore. It's too loud. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll be right back with the exhaust sound test. Okay, so I really like this exhaust. I'm going to have to make some brackets for this exhaust because I like the way it sounds. It's really deep, but it's not like loud. So I'm going to crank it up once you hear it. And as you know, camera speakers don't do it any justice. I'll play the before sound and then the after sound. This is the Vance and Hines. Next is the stock exhaust. I really like the way those look. I'm just going to have to get some flat stock from Lowe's, and I can make my own little brackets to hold it. For right now, I think we're going to run the stock exhaust for tomorrow, because we're going to run a ride tomorrow. So, I'm going to pull this exhaust off and put the stock one on. I'm not going to film it, because it's pointless. I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, I got it done. I've test rode it with the stock exhaust. See the showing machine now. Let me show you. The other one was too loud, this is too quiet. I like the in-between, which the other little Vance and Hines set there was perfect. I just got to fabricate 4 brackets for that, and then we can put that on there. But in the meantime, tomorrow, for our little ride, tomorrow we're going to ride the stock exhaust. So I can actually hear like the noises the tires are making on the road, and I can hear the radio on really low setting. But we're going to, like I said, we're going to fix the other Vance and Hines, and we're going to put it on there, and then we'll just sell the stock exhaust. But for now, we're going to roll with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. Thanks for watching.